Multiple outrage grows over Pakistani journalist Shehzad Salim's murder after he exposed an alleged Al-Qaeda and Pak Navy link. Now, with human rights activists and other journalists across the world alleging ISI's role behind the killing.
तो कोई अपनी बात करते हुए 100 दफ़ा सोचता है, कोई बात लिखते हुए, कोई रिपोर्ट बनाते हुए, कोई सहाफ़ती ज़िम्मेदारी अदा करते हुए 100 दफ़ा सोचता है कि आया ये किसको गुस्सा दिलाएगा या किसको मतलब इस हद तक पहुंचा देगा कि वो उसको मारने के दर पे हो जाए.
Shafiq's joining us on the phone line for more details. Shafiq, what exactly is the Pakistan government maintaining as far as Shehzad's killing was concerned?
Yes, Rahman Malik today went to the house of Sayyid Salim Shehzad in Karachi and expressed his condolence and grievance, and also he promised to form a committee to investigate the murder of Sayyid Salim Shehzad. But this is a usual practice, like we have lost many journalists in the last few years, and all the time the government formed committees and bodies to investigate the murder, but nothing come out to the public. Nobody knows what happened to the killing of Waliur Rahman Babar, the journalist from working with Geo Television in Karachi, and also another journalist who was from Swat. So a lot of people, several journalists in the last few years have been killed in different parts of Pakistan, and all the time the government promised to expose those who are behind the killing, but it never happened in the past. But let's see if Rahman Malik, who is the Pakistan Interior Minister, he has once again promised to expose those who are behind the murder of Sayyid Salim Shehzad. They will be exposed through an investigation body, and which will be constituted in the coming days. So this is what the promise made by Pakistan government.
Stay with us, Shafiq. Let's listen into some of those reactions that came in from the community.
पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट में ये मेंशन है कि इनकी बॉडी के ऊपर 15 टॉर्चर के निशानात मौजूद थे और इनकी कॉज ऑफ डेथ जो है वो जिगर फटने से हुई, क्योंकि तशद्दुद इतना ज़्यादा किया गया कि उसकी वजह से मुसलसल ज़रबे लगने की वजह से जिगर इनका फट गया, जो कॉज ऑफ डेथ बनी. ये सारी जो डिटेल्स हैं ये हमें डॉक्टर मेहदी खान ने बताई है, जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट अस्पताल मंडी बहाउद्दीन के डॉक्टर हैं जिन्होंने ऑटोप्सी वगैरह खुद भी कंडक्ट की है. और इस सिलसिले में एक चीज़ और भी ऐड करता चलूँ कि सेशन जज ने उनकी कब्र कुशाई की इजाज़त दे दी हुई है और मोस्ट प्रोबेबली उनकी कब्र कुशाई जो है उसका सिलसिला थोड़े अर्से में शुरू हो जाएगा.